Hello and welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything related to real estate wealth. Today we're going to talk about investing in real estate during a recession. As we all know, recessions are difficult times for many of us, but they can also present some unique opportunities for investors. My name is Aguinaga, real estate broker at LJ Realties. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Real estate is an asset class that has historically performed well during recessions, and it's not hard to see why. During a recession, many people are forced to sell their homes or investment properties, creating opportunities for investors to acquire property at a lower price. So, let's break down why investing in real estate during a recession might be a good idea. First of all, real estate can provide a steady stream of rental income. Even during a recession, people still need a place to live, and owning rental properties can provide a reliable source of cash flow. Additionally, real estate can be a hedge against inflation. As the value of the dollar decreases, the value of real estate tends to rise, making it a good way to protect your wealth. Finally, real estate can provide a long-term investment strategy. While there may be fluctuations in the short term, over the long term, real estate tends to appreciate in value, making it a solid investment option for those looking to build wealth over time. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and it's important to do your research and make informed decisions based on your individual financial situation. Before investing in real estate, it's important to do your research and understand the local market. This includes understanding the local economy, property values, and rental demand. It's also super important to work with a qualified real estate agent or broker who can help you identify the opportunities and navigate the complexities of your real estate market. That's all we have time for today. We hope you found this video helpful. As always, please remember to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and even leave a comment below. Your support helps me create new videos with more investing insights.